It took just a few minutes for Supreme Court judges to end months of political uncertainty.
The presidential election of the 26th October is hereby upheld, as is the election of the third respondent.
Supporters were in a jubilant mood outside the court before President-elect Uhuru Kenyatta's planned swearing-in next week.
As soon as the Supreme Court gave its ruling, hundreds of supporters of President Uhuru Kenyatta celebrated outside the court. They say this is their victory and that Kenyatta is a legitimate president.
The ruling Jubilee Party and the Electoral Commission say last month's rerun was free and fair, despite an opposition boycott and a voter turnout of less than 40%. The opposition, the National Super Alliance, says it won't recognize Kenyatta as president. It believes the Supreme Court didn't act independently when upholding Kenyatta's election win. Tension increased in opposition strongholds as demonstrators vow to fight for what they say is political justice.
Our democracy was jeopardized. Our democracy was put on a ledge. Now we want to show them that dictatorial government, Uhuru and Ruto, are thieves.
Kenya's plagued by political and economic divisions worsened after two controversial presidential elections in just 3 months. The ruling party says it will work to form an inclusive government.
The opposition, not only the destabilizing factor, we want to urge our colleagues in the opposition, led by Honorable Raila Odinga, that Kenya is bigger than you, that all of us must preach peace, that all of us must preach ethnic coexistence.
The opposition says the government has been using armed militia and bullets to disperse supporters. As the opposition ponders its next move, it's uncertain if any further protests will have the impact it hopes for, as many other Kenyans prepare to move on. Fahmida, Al Jazeera, Nairobi.